Railway Assistant Loco Pilot Recruitment 2024. Important dates. Application begin, the 20th of January 2024 last date for apply online, the 19th of February 2024 last date pay exam fee, the 19th of February 2024 correction, modified form, the 20th to the 29th of February 2024 exam date, as per schedule admit card available, notified soon. Application fee.
General 500, SC, ST, OBC, EWS 250, all category female 250. After appear the stage 1 exam, general fee refund 400, SC, ST, OBC, EWS female refund 250. Pay the examination fee through debit card, net banking fee mode only. Railway Assistant Loco Pilot Notification 2024. Age limit as on the 1st of July 2024. Minimum age 18 years, maximum age 30 years. Age relaxation extra as per Railway Recruitment Board RRB ALP Recruitment Advt number. Sun 01, 2024 Vacancy Rules. RRB ALP Recruitment 2024. Vacancy details total 5,696 posts. For more details, contact 7799799221 www.manasadefenseacademy.com.